everybody, this is Michael Van Horn, the Social Chef. Today I'm going to make a panini sandwich, but I'm not going to make a traditional panini sandwich. I'm going to be a little creative. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use some chicken, so put a little bit of salt and pepper on that to season it real good. And then I'm going to make a pesto sauce. And I'm just going to take a little basil, a little garlic, some pine nuts, and some olive oil. I'm going to put it in my blender, mix that up real well. And then I'm going to take my chicken, I'm going to saute that, I want to make sure that's cooked. And then I'm going to put it between some ciabatta bread, and then I'm going to put it on the stove here. But I'm going to, if you have a panini machine, even better. I have a panini machine, but I'm going to do it a different way because not everybody has one, so you have to be creative when you don't have certain tools. I'm going to put a slice of tomato on it, and I'm going to put some fresh buffalo mozzarella on it, and we'll cook it up, see how it turns out. Stay tuned. I'm going to season up my chicken a little bit here, put just a little bit of salt on it, a little bit of pepper. Flip that over, do the same thing on the other side. I'm going to use a hand that I did not touch the chicken with. Alright, we got that seasoned up, and we'll start put that on the stove and cook that up. So take some basil, coarsely chop it up, because once it goes in here, it'll get finished off in here. Put a little bit of garlic in there. I just put one clove. Put a little, put a few pine nuts in here, and then I'm going to put some olive oil. Put a generous portion in there, and that's it. Put our Cuisinart on it. 2 slices of tomato. Got our bread cut in half here, and we're good. Alright, so we'll put our chicken in there, saute that for a few minutes, let that cook. Won't take long. What I did is I took the chicken breast and I kind of filleted it, went right down the middle of it, and therefore made it a little thinner. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to come in, I'm going to take a little of that pesto that I made, and I'm just going to spread it right over the bread, just like that. This is wicked garlic, so if you like garlic, you're going to love this. Okay, so we got this coated really good. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take some of this fresh mozzarella, put a couple pieces on here. I like cheese. Put that fresh buffalo mozzarella. I'll put it on both sides. It's going to melt all through there. It's going to be really good. Really good. Okay. And I'm just going to take my chicken breast. I'll lay it down there like that. We'll put a tomato here. You know what? Let me put a tomato underneath too. Alright. Take this. Put it right on top like that. And there you go. Put it on my pan. I'm going to put something heavy on there to weigh that down. And in a few minutes, we got ourselves a panini sandwich. Right before I put it on the grill, make sure my grill's good and hot. I'm just going to coat very lightly. I'm just going to put a little bit of olive oil on here. Once it's on the stove, my pan, I'll do the other side. We'll just do this side for now. Carefully set this in here. I'm going to put something that's heavy right on top like that. And be careful to balance it. And that's it.